say a word. Whatever that would be, could be so absurd. So I don't say a word. My shoes aren't too pointy. I need to pull my socks up. That was what my daddy said. But his words aren't worth a thing. Hear no sound. Sound your ear. You hear something creaking on the stairs above you, but you live on a ground floor flat, and there is no one living above you. So what do you make of that? Having handfuls of daisies rolling down hills, grass stains on your skirt, and you're drinking tea until the sunlight fades and the world looks green. You thought it was a pretty place, but you thought wrong. But hey, hear no sound. Sound your ear. You hear something creaking on the stairs above you, but you live on a ground floor flat, and there is no one living above you. So what do you make of that?